Hello everybody. When you practice part 6 already, now we continue to part 7 and to show you uh, about how to fix the fix yes the fix navigation bar. Okay. You can the fix navigation bar to top and to bottom uh, with follow your okay is we show you the navigation bar to stay at the top or the bottom of your page. Yes, okay. uh, we continue from the part set. Yes, okay, we go to you can copy and paste. Yes, okay. Page 7. Yes, we want to fix. Yes, navigation bar part 7. Yes, okay. And then you can show you. Yes, okay. This chapter you can see about the part 6. Yes, this practice. Yeah, okay. Okay, this now we want to move data. Okay, uh, we start the first. I want to set a body. Okay, the page matching. Yes, matching. I set the for body matching. I set to 0 pixel. Yes. Okay, and UL you can set list matching 0, pending 0. Okay, overflow. Okay, background color 333. Okay, and set the at the position. Yeah, position. I set the face. Yes, this the face. Yeah, uh, done to okay, and top 0. Okay, and width I set the width 1%, 100%. Yes, okay, and the list. Yeah, the list I set the from okay left okay but border I don't know, I don't want. Yes, okay, and childish. Okay, okay, and then we want to set a continue. Yes, okay, now mm, I save. Yes, I want to this active. Okay, the active I we set a paragraph, your paragraph. Okay, and I set your paragraph I set div. Yeah, to style. Okay, and pending uh, 20%. Okay, and matching top. Yes, matching top. Okay, matching top I set to uh, 13 30%. Yes, 30%. We want to set a background color. Yeah, background. Okay, background color you can to choose. Okay, okay, and you can set high. Yes, high. Okay, you can set 1500 pixel. Yes, okay. You can close. Okay, and you can close your div. Yes, this block you can set your body, okay? You can close the body, the div, okay? And you can tie a data, okay? You can tie a data, uh, you can hide data, okay? You can show data, hide, okay? I show a fetch to top the to top navigation bar, okay, and the head to we want to set a data the scroll this page, yes, the scroll this page to see the uh, the effect, okay, effect, yes, and then you can set a tool, you can set the navigation bar will stay at the top of, yeah, of the page. We'll scroll, we'll, yes, scroll link, yes, okay, and then you can set, okay, I want to set more paragraph. I send the welcome to AEU, yes, as you AEU, okay, HTML, and how to learn, how to learn the the HTML and CS tutorial, yes, okay, okay, then you can copy path and to more, and you can see about a scroll, yes, okay, it says scroll your page more with us, yes, okay, okay, and you can save, and you can to see, yes, the scroll, yes, this we want to about your when you check, and you can set the style, okay, the matching, yes, you can set the style the top at pending the your text, yes, I explain you about to yes, okay, in this you can use the 20%, yes, for pending, okay, and matching top. You can choose 30 pixel and your background color, yeah, background color, and your height. That means you height for your store data display on the page browser. You can choose more or short, okay, because the practice I set to 1500 pixel for to display, okay, and this that means the height for your data, okay, and choose the border and bottom, okay, the that means you choose border color, okay, you can choose, it's good, yes, for your practice, okay, this we want to practice to us, you can see your data, okay, in the top, top and bottom, okay, this you show data on the top, but you want to show your data on bottom. You can delete the matching top. Yes. Okay, and you save your data and you refresh your page. Okay, and this I want to show you. Okay, and delete in the matching zero, and then you set the bottom, yeah, and UL. The UL you set to before you set the bottom to zero, it to know your top and your data page in the bottom. Now you want to bottom. Okay. Yes, the bottom you set to zero. Okay, this one or top or bottom. Yes, and you can refresh your page. Okay, you see your menu on the bottom, but you see the data on your top. Yes, it's easy. When you practice with us, you can create your page. Every page is so easy for you. Yeah, thank you for your learning with us and how to set affect your navigation button for the top or the bot. Okay, or the bottom. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I hope to practice with the part continue the part 8. Okay, we show you about to create a style. Okay, with your menu. Okay, thank you.